What's going on, everybody? Cuffing the Dip coming at you guys with another one, guys. Hopefully everybody's feeling good out there, man. Definitely feeling good myself. Can't complain at all, period, man. If you weren't in that space previously with Crypto Family Love the Inc, man, you definitely were missing out on some good information, man. I definitely learned some good stuff myself. Can't even lie about that one. But let me get some things set up and see who we got in the building. See who we got in the building really quick, man. Like I said, I always appreciate everybody who comes by, man. Let me know how the audio is. As you guys know, I'm still messing with this new programming, and let me change this song because this sounds like I'm about to go ballroom dancing, and that's not really the vibe right now. Hold on. Let me know if you guys can hear me. Mic check, mic check, mic check. Let me know if you guys can hear me or not. Because it looks a little bit trippy on my end. Hold on. Sorry there, my Windows was a little trippy right there. I had to fix something up really quick. Sorry, I'm running behind too. Also, guys, like I said, I was in that space with Love Thy Inc. and Crypto Family, man, had some good times with the Delta Flare community. So let me go ahead and get my screen together. Just give me 2 seconds. I gotta change this music. It's like it's killing me right now. My bad, y'all. you know the music is a real vibe. I can't move forward without the music. I'm sorry. I had to get that together, y'all. Please forgive me. All right. Transition, at least get me on the screen so you guys can see what I'm doing over here, fidgeting and whatnot. But what's going on, everybody, man? Like I said, Cuffing the Dip in the building. Definitely appreciate everybody for coming in. Let's see what we got in the building. We got Giggity. What's going on, Giggity? And welcome, my brother. How you feeling today, man? What's the word? How you feeling today? We got Eddie K in the building. What's going on, Eddie K? I always feel like my hat's crooked as soon as I come on stream. DeFi, Destination DeFi, aka Darren. What's going on? Says he's fourth. What's going on, Lori? Says hi, everybody. Got Crypto Family in the building, man. Definitely a good space. Appreciate you guys, man. Definitely appreciate you guys and what you're trying to do for the space. Crypto Clip Shane says stopping in before bed. Looks like Cuff is running a little late. Yeah, well, I was actually in that space, and I definitely appreciate you for stopping in, man. Love Thy Inc saying, yo, what's going on? Yo, what's going on, my brother? How you feeling today? Everybody, like before you type. Yeah, definitely hit that like button for you, boy. You know what I mean? Dar, what's going on? What's up, man? Definitely appreciate you. Welcome to the building. What's going on? And we got Jonathan in the building. Okay. LKM Land. What's the word? Yeah, you can hear me. Okay, bet. Audio's decent, cool. That's what I like to see. What's going on, family? What's the word, man? I feel like if you guys pay attention, man, there's whether people want to see it or not, man, there's an ecosystem being built between people who actually want to see like progress within this space. Everybody's not going to be with the movement, but you can tell who's really legitimate about what they're trying to do by what their motives are inside of this space. I feel like definitely great space. Love that Inc. and Crypto Family, man. Y'all definitely put on a good one. Had the one of the founders come in, man. That's always a good thing. Omar Flight Club in the building. What's going on, baby? What's going on, Omar Flight Club? What's going on, man? What's the word? I love the Web3 life. Yeah, man. Sound is on point. I can hear you. Bet. Hey, all at not working. Yeah, what's going on? Definitely appreciate you for stopping by. Love my knots. Hey, man, there's a lot of people that I'm actually gonna have to grab some now. You guys have definitely put me in a mind state to where like I don't think I'm going to be satisfied until I do have a couple of Delta knots inside my wallet. And you guys know I have the whole world in my wallet, not to mention what's hidden in my wallet between the good NFTs, you know what I mean, that I got hidden that I don't want nobody looking in my wallet and seeing. Because I know my wallet is cuffingthedip.eth. I know y'all knew that I know for a fact some people are looking in at least one of my wallets. I got cuffing these, and I got a bunch of wallets. I think I got like 8 or 9 NFT wallets, or 10. I think it's 10. I got a bunch of NFT wallets. So I move them around, hide them, do a bunch of various different things. Man, I'm not even gonna lie to you. What's going on, Omar? What's the word, man? How you feeling today, man? Wish it hadn't rug, but that birthday bash is going to be a birthday bash is going to be something different, man. 20 different projects, man. And oh, thank you, thanks for your work on. I love it here. Yeah, man, it's definitely going to be a real thing. No Web3 without some ruggy spaces. Yeah, man, look, he didn't even say anything about Androids. I'm proud of you, Omar. It will be great. Yeah. Rugs spaces are good. Then who's paying attention? Then yeah. Definitely, man. Hey, look, man, I love supporting people that are actually trying to really get out here in this space and do something, man. It's not a lot of people that are actually trying to be different. People want to follow trends nowadays, you know what I mean? And trends can be various different things. I feel like a trend can just be something that gets hyped up, and man, we all know that it really doesn't have any future, but the fact that it's being hyped up, we buy it, and the expectations are we're gonna ride this wave as high as it goes, and then when the wave comes down, it just is what it is. Don't put in more than you're willing to lose, you know what I mean? That's kind of where it comes down to that perspective. Let me see. Yeah, thank everybody for coming on. Yeah, no, definitely. What's going on, Crypto Tone? What's up, man? What's going on? I went to trade on Future, but I confused which crypto gonna go up or down on Future. Hey, look. Hey, 80K, that's the problem with everybody trying to do futures right now. If there was a person that just knew for a fact when the market was going to go up and down, it would just be one rich ass individual, you know what I mean? Like, and it would be like, he probably would teach classes that were very costly, and you know what I mean? Just stuff like that. So it's not so many people that know exactly what's going to happen with the market. You can gauge it pretty close by using indicators and kind of paying attention to the sentiments of the market, but even that ain't even 100% sure. Yeah, what's going on, Tom? The word of the day is bullish on community. Bullish. So the word, which one is it? Is it bullish or community? Because you just said the word of the day and it hit me with a phrase, my brother. Crow is pumping right now. Okay. I'm gonna check that out in 2 seconds. Definitely 100 on that, man. We'll be listening for longer, but not typing in a few. Okay. Definitely appreciate you, LKM Land. Either way, if you're listening or vibing or not, I definitely appreciate you. I know what you do and the support that you give in the community. I definitely appreciate it. Well, let's check into the market real quick, and then we'll see if we got any more chats. Let me refresh this to see if we got anything going on currently in the market. Then I kind of, I'm not gonna lie, the Delta Knots kind of put me in an NFT like mood, so I think I'm gonna look at a couple NFT projects. I did end up favoriting some of the Delta Flare projects, so maybe we'll check into a couple of their floors too. I know it's not Wednesday, it's not the Chill and Chill Wednesday, but like I said, man, when I get in that NFT vibe, it's almost like I said, man, jumping down that rabbit hole. Sometimes, man, you get a lot of different projects that have a lot of different potential, and then you kind of get wrapped up in what that potential could be. And besides that fact, let me not forget to tell you guys, you already know, in what is that, 40 minutes or so, we got a Twitter space, 11 p.m. Central Time, guys. You know, every single weekday night we got that Twitter space. Actually, most times Saturday too, we come out and kick it with you guys too. So 11 p.m. Central Time, man, we rock out with you guys, man. We talk about some more in-depth things. You guys talk one-on-one. It's a little bit different. You don't gotta type. So definitely can create a real vibe within those spaces. Our goal is to build and unite within a lot of different communities. You know what I mean? Don't let Shaw look at more NFTs. He has reached his his daily allotment. I'm dead. Let me see. All right, so let me see. Let's look at the market really quick. So we got Bitcoin at 16,835 bucks, and then after that we got Ethereum at 1,257 bucks currently right now. So Bitcoin is up almost about 6%, 5.8%. Then we got Ethereum up about 6.6%, so that's not bad. But if you look on a week's time frame, it's still down significantly. As you guys know, we had a hell of a downtrend in the market, and it definitely reflects on the sentiments of everything that's going on. No coins were really pumping like that until recently, which was today, when we had a little bit more volume come back into the market, which I'll show you guys that on the chart too. We'll kind of transition into that. And like I said, this will be we got a space at 11, so it'll kind of be a more compact space. More compact space. Let me see. He got me into a cat NFT earlier. Bad influence. Who got you into a cat NFT? What cat? There's a cat NFT? I can never stay awake long enough for the whole Twitter space. Yeah, no, I understand. Trust me, I definitely appreciate it. But the fact that you come in is more than enough. Espresso. Yeah, is that how you do it, Giggity? Because you actually you make it pretty tough, man. Either that or you got a night job. Somebody's got a night job. Cat NFT. Are you talking about are you talking about the ones that Toy Mori's coming out with? You know, they're kind of doing their Toy Mori pets. That's the only one I don't know any other cat NFT, to be 110% honest. Not in the loop on that one. West Coast folks have the advantage. Yeah, well, what is it? Yeah, was it like 2 hours? Yeah, so it's like 8 o'clock over there, right? I fall asleep. Yeah, it's a story in my life. Sometimes I'm actually on the other side of that. But let me see. Let's scroll down, see what everything else is at. So we got BNB at 280 right now. Currently, XRP is at 37 cents. XRP is for the low right now, but it went up about 14% on the day. If you guys are paying attention to that, so XRP did pump a bit. So I'm definitely feeling that pump. I don't know about anybody else, but I'm still kind of bullish on XRP. That's me personally. Everybody does not have to feel that way. I think I still slowly will accumulate. I know it's a bit risky with everything that's going on right this second. Dogecoin also, with Elon really taking an interest into that. You can see that it didn't make it down to that 4 or 5 cent range again, and it had a little bit of a pump also, about 7.3%. So that's not too bad. Cardano 33 cent. Polygon underneath $1 again, but up almost about 9%. So that's not too bad. Not too bad. You got Solana at 14 bucks, man. I remember people were talking about it was still at 40 and 35 bucks, but it's up about 12.4% right now, 14.23. Where's Crow? All right, so Crow had a hell of a pump today. It is up about what? Almost 30%. On the 24-hour period, it's at about 7 cents. So it did hit a pretty low point. I think what was it at, like 4 or 5 cents or something like that, that Crow hit, and from there it's been kind of trucking up there. People have confidence in crypto.com. I don't think they're gonna fail, me personally. So just you know what I mean, just this personal opinion. You guys let me know how you guys are feeling about that, or what the word is on that one. Let me see. You bullish on Other Side Meta? That one I'm actually not familiar with. Is that something different than Other Side Deed as far as with Yuga Labs? If so, I'm not familiar with that one. I haven't really caught up with too many newer projects. What's going on, Eddie T? What's going on, Eddie T? Welcome to the building, baby. What's up, man? Yeah, Eddie T in the building. Smash that like button and sub. And if you want some extra brownie points, you could definitely hit that notification bell. If you're curious on when I go live or you want some more information, you can go ahead and hop in and get as much information as you want. You know what I mean? You can go ahead and tap in with us. And you already know, like I said, in about 35 minutes, man, we got that Twitter space. People like, man, you be getting it down to the minute. Yes, sir. I'm a numbers person. I like numbers. I like math. I like you know what I mean? Stuff like that is exciting to me. I see a bunch of numbers, I get excited, and I'm ready to crunch those numbers. You know what I mean? Everybody's not like that. Everybody's not like that. Just Smash, thanks for the reminder. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. Eddie coming in here getting the likes for your brother. Definitely appreciate it. So yeah, man, so the next thing that we're going to do is, man, we're going to dig into the actual chart. I'll show you guys kind of like the progress, kind of play by play. We watched that downfall of the chart a couple days ago, and it didn't look the best in the world, but we're going to take another look at what it looks like currently right now, and kind of go from there. But in the meantime, in between time, man, you know what it is, gotta pay some bills. Be right back, y'all. All right, so let's get back to it. I appreciate all of you guys that hung in that for that quick break there. Let's dive into the logistics of what we kind of been looking at right now, man. So this is pretty much what everybody really cares about. I'll start here, and then like I said, I'm gonna dive into some NFTs. I definitely like I said, I definitely appreciate anybody that's tuned in, still messing around right now, still rocking and rolling right now. Always appreciate it, man. So let's look at this. As you guys know, this is my if you are unfamiliar with this is my smart money indicator. So I often use this when I'm looking at different trades. You can look at it on different time frames. This, I believe, is a paid indicator on TradingView, so you're more than welcome to utilize it also. So just so people who are unfamiliar with looking at this, so the green money will be like your retail money, and your red money will be your smart money, which you see there's minimal of right now currently in the market, and none at this period in time where we're currently going through right now. So everything is just, this is just money floating in between. So that's how you can just kind of look at the yellow ranges in between that. So more or less, we're at a point to where we're lacking smart money, and retail money is pretty much trying to hold up the market at this point, which we have a little bit of a pump. If you go to smaller time frames, you'll see a little bit of volume come in. Different conflicting indicators on different time frames. Let's look at the live action of what we got. Let me see if you guys can see this on screen. You're set up on you. Oh, definitely appreciate it, man. Definitely appreciate that, Jonathan. Let me see. So right now, to me, what I'm looking at, because I feel like that's pretty good view. So what I'm looking at right now currently is one, we had, oh, let me shrink it down just a little bit. Let me see if it doesn't distort it too much. I know it gets smaller on the stream. All right, that's not horrible. All right, so you can see there is a run up, and you see where it kind of bottoms out around this range right here, where it dumped at. This was that heavy dump that we had in the market where we lost thousands of dollars, really millions of dollars out of the market at that point. But went down to this point, hit a bottom, came back up, trended above this resistance point and this resistance point, then came back down, got sold off to back underneath this resistance point right here, where you can see this this build up of resistance and support levels right here, which is kind of pushing it down. Then you see where it got pushed down to, down trended down to these different levels, came down here first, and then it retraced, and then you can kind of see the price action that kind of happened in between there. So we're looking, this is the daytime frame, so we're looking at today right now. This is where we're currently at. We're above and using this level right here as a support level as of right this second. I don't know how well this will hold. There's a chance that if it does break past this level, it does have this level underneath, but this is like a soft level of support, I feel like, and it could possibly come down lower and start getting into that $1,100 range, depending on how things go within the market. The biggest news that I feel like that's coming forward in the near future is going to be next month on the 13th and the 14th, for when we have the FOMC meeting, and then we also have you know what I mean, we get to see if they're going to pivot or not, more or less, as far as the rates. So if they're you be killing me, Omar, sometimes. Any smart money in the market right now, is there only dumb money in the market? I mean, essentially, yeah, that's what they call retail money. They call retail money smart money, you know what I mean? Because I mean, I feel like if they were smart, they would be following the smart money, right? I mean, but everybody doesn't really utilize these methods and kind of look at these different indicators on the chart. So there's a lot of variables to that. So I mean, but they do call it that's the, I mean, I guess you want to be technical, they do say it's called dumb money to a certain extent. What's going on, Tillery's? What's up, Tillery? How you feeling, man? So that's just a brief look at it. We can look at let's look at Bitcoin real quick too. So Bitcoin, you can see tremendous drop, same as Ethereum, bottoms at around this range or so, where there is a range of support around this range, then goes up almost exact, you can almost the same thing, not exact, but different volume. So goes down, has the same little pump, and then we're at a point right now to versus it being on a support level, which its support will probably be around this range, right? Probably around like right here will be the support that it's bouncing off right now, but it's currently trying to break past a resistance level right here to see if it's going to run to any higher levels as far as this relief rally that it's having currently right now. Could get rejected around this range, come back down, as you can see the wick from the price action, and continue in a downward motion. So we'll see how that trend ends up coming into play. We'll you know what I mean, play it by ear and then kind of see how it works out. But like I said, this is on a day time frame. You look on different time frames and get a different perspective of what's going on. As you can see, there's a lot of resistance and support around these ranges built up right this second, but we'll see kind of where it ends up, if it breaks out of it or if it pushes down below this level. Let me see. They got a free token. All right, start here. Well, nah, nope, wait, damn it. Look at Bally's talking real quick. I'm talking a couple smaller projects. Not too many pumps right now. Only thing, the biggest pump I'm seeing is about 6%, maybe. Even Luna is up about 8% right now. Yeah, about a 6% pump. Bally's token, it's sad. Let's see if it was this is a day chart too. I don't know day chart on this. Buys are too few and far in between. That's why I was on day. Ah, shit. All right, so around that range is kind of where it bottomed out at, and as you can see, it's trying to use it as support level and kind of see what's going on from there. So we'll see what's going on with this, but I definitely feel like I'm getting good vibes coming. If you guys have not minted, and this is actually a great person to actually have on the screen when I'm talking about it. If you guys have not minted one of those Billionaire NFTs, I think they're about almost halfway done with the NFT mint that they had. I think there's only about 1,500 of them in total. So if you had some of the other NFTs, you definitely want to look into that, because it's definitely going to complete your package as far as the complete ecosystem with airdrops and everything that you want attached to it. So definitely want to look out for that if you guys are interested in those airdrops that are attached to Bally's token. That's a real vibe that you guys want to look into, and a real vibe as far as the community, man. Let me see. Omar, what's up? Tillery, what's up, my boy? All right, my brother. Shav King's been here for about 2 months. 2 month Little Dipper. It says 2 months, but it's supposed to be 3 months. YouTube out here lying. Keep grinding, bro. Yeah, definitely appreciate it, man. Shit, I've been what is it? Shit, I don't even know how long I've been officially doing this YouTube thing. I know it's been over a year of that. At first, I didn't even take days off. I had to tell myself to take Sunday off. I literally was streaming 7 days a week, multiple times a day. It was crazy. I think I kind of like this beat, Loki. And we got a space in 25 minutes. You're more than welcome to join, and you already know this. You definitely know this. You definitely know this. All right, so let's get off of this. Like I told you guys, I've been in a hell of a NFT type of mood. So I'm gonna introduce you to a couple of NFTs that I like that I probably don't even talk that damn much about. So, and this is one of them. So if you look at this NFT and you immediately start looking at the NFTs, you like what it looks like. You're feeling the swag of it. You're similar to me. I don't know why, but this gave me a not a back in the day type of vibe, but I don't know how to really describe this one, you know what I mean? But it definitely gives me like that early day cartoon vibe, which I was definitely rocking with that. Then on top of the early cartoon vibe, the community is super dope, which I actually found out The floor price is a little bit more pricey. It was down a little bit. It was actually at 0.39. What was that, like a day or two ago? So now the floor is at 0.43. I'm actually a pretty big fan of these NFTs, man. I actually do not. I'm actually ashamed to say I don't own one because I haven't really been buying any NFTs. These have been around for a while too, and they ran up to about 1 ETH 1.25 or 1.5 or something like that, man. And you know what I mean? It was a situation to where I'm like, okay, I'll wait till it retraces a little bit. But in all honesty, man, I like these NFTs, and I'll probably be looking into grabbing one of these, man. I'm not gonna lie to you. That's just further along the line. As you can see, man, some people are actually taking the L. I mean, so this guy bought it for 1.8, so they did get up pretty high. We got one for 0.7, and these are things that I pay attention to in collections also. Listed, he bought this for 0.69, selling it for 0.5, bought this 0.42, now he's selling it 0.5, bought it for 0.55, selling it 0.5. So there are some people that are indifferent about that, but I actually like the community behind this. So I also think that this point right now in cryptocurrency and inside of NFTs, there's like it's kind of like a restructuring happening right now. So people are leaving from out of communities, and new people are coming in with a new value for those communities, if that makes sense. So it's almost like a restructuring of I don't want to say a restructuring of the community, but just people kind of you know what I mean? Like some things run their course for some people, or if they've made their money. Like if you've been here since Mint and this thing went up to about close to like 2 Ethereum, you made your money, you know what I mean? Mint was like 0.0 something or like 0.15. I can't remember what it was, but you know what I mean? Like it's a different vibe to people, and people don't understand it when people say profits, or some people get scared when the you know what I mean? Like people kind of, I guess drop the, I mean, the best thing to say is drop the floor. So people drop the floor, and people don't understand that people dropping the floor is the same thing as people taking profits on cryptocurrency. It's like you don't get scared in the project that you're actually confident in, if that makes sense. You know what I mean? You either you dive in more or you get out. I mean, this is one of the two reactions, you know what I mean? So you got to be confident in everything that you invest into. But I definitely like this community. I like what they're doing. There's a lot of, if you look up, there's a app and a lot of different programs to where you can look up whale wallets, and like people who own like Bored Ape Yacht Club, Mutant Ape Yacht Clubs, Doodles, CryptoPunks, just a lot of high-end NFTs that could possibly sell for anywhere from like 50 to like 400 Ethereum. A lot of them own some of these NFTs and are actually, some are hodling them, some are selling and reestablishing their position in other projects just because of the market. But I feel like this is a project that volume is probably going to end up making its way back towards. Like I said, this is my personal opinion, not financial advice. Just something that I've been looking into a little bit. And they actually do, where is it? I thought I had that up too. Maybe I don't have that up. Let's see. This is a little bit more cost friendly, I feel like. The floor price of these is right now 0.07. This is the detonated tunes. So if you can see, the artwork is a little bit different, and they're called the detonated tunes for a reason, but this is like the secondary collection that they did come out with. Like I said, I don't have the maximum amount of information, but you can see it's a paper thin floor for it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So really 6 before a 0.1 floor. Once again, it looks like to be a little bit of a reset, but it's a matter of positioning yourself in some of these projects to where you can actually benefit when the money starts to come back into the market, because some of these projects are not going anywhere. You know what I mean? Like the communities are avid communities that are building. More people are getting added to the communities. Some people are leaving the communities. Like I said, they're taking profits, or they may have not have taken profits at the right time and they're choosing to take profits now because they need liquidity. They want to move assets into another project. So there's multiple different reasons to you know what I mean, to move around different funds, if that makes sense to everybody. So this is like I said, another one that I was paying attention to. Another one that everybody seems to be really fond on was this one right here, the Doglians right here. I've actually paid attention to it a little bit since people have mentioned it to me. I'm actually waiting right this second just because the floor is retracing a little bit. If you look at my last stream, the floor was about point zero nine or something like that. I wait to kind of see if the trend continues, especially when there's like articles and things like that posted. There's a hype phase, then there's a cool down phase after the hype phase. So normally it goes up, it reaches a peak of where it actually goes up to. People start to take a little bit of profits. Like I said, the initial fear of that sometimes gets people to lower the floor a little bit, and it's nothing to do with the company or anything like that. That's just how NFTs goes until people start doing the research to kind of figure out why these things are occurring so often. And when they figure those things out, they'll you know what I mean, they'll get it. They'll definitely get it, I feel like. But retracing is not a horrible thing. I feel like it's like everybody says, a reset in a project, especially it happens directly after launches and like midway through things when people hit that phase of kind of what's next. So not a super duper low floor. So 0.06 this is the lowest one right here, where somebody dropped one, and 0.08. So been teeter-tottering around that 0.1 range. So me personally, like I said, I was trying to see if it's a high phase or if it actually remains, you know what I mean? So let me see where I left off. People saying hi. It's like Felix the cat, but in color, like the Looney Tunes. Yeah, like a change in a guard. It gives me early cartoon. Yeah, that's what I was saying, like them early cartoon vibes, bro. Yeah, it's definitely like a reset. I feel like that happens often in multiple different projects. It's not just one project that it does. All right, Laura, you have a good rest of your night, and I definitely appreciate you for coming through. Definitely. What's going on, Roberta? What's going on, Roberta? How you feeling today? But yeah, man, so you can kind of see the vibe behind this one. I had a couple other ones too, man, that I was looking up, but you guys know one of the main ones that I like looking at as far as NFT projects, and I have a bunch of other NFT projects that I have been looking at lately. I want to deep dive before I kind of get back into it. Looks like the floor of the teens went up. It was at 0.08, so people had an opportunity to buy a teen at 0.08. Let's look at the activity and see if we can see anything happening. So we got some people buying recently, and it looks like somebody came in with a broom and swept a bunch of them, man. So that definitely happens sometimes. Bigger whales come in, man, wanting the project, and they get in. I actually heard that somebody said they were going to get into the project, and they did it in a big way. I think they bought like 26 bulls. Yeah, like 26 of them, something like that. But 0.1 floor, which is how much right now? $131 right now. So basically you're minting a free mint, and it's about $131. Not hard to you know what I mean, see the value within that. Definitely some good value within it. Let's see, let's go to the actual floor of the Genesis collection. And like I said, guys, we got a space in 12 minutes, so I'm gonna wrap it up probably on the Bulls and Apes. So I'm not gonna count this one. This one is count. He's cheating the floor a little bit just to sell it underneath the floor. We're at a 0.4 floor right now, and the lowest offer is 0.32 for the Bulls currently right now. So I feel like that's a really good price range, and it's constantly going up. We got our buddy right here at 420. We got some stoner bulls. Like this is a stoner bull right here. On the floor, we got a stoner bull right there. This is a bunch of different bulls. Another stoner bull right there. So we got some good traits out there, man. And then we got a couple different things out there, man, that you can really look at and kind of see within the Bulls and Apes project. But it looks like it's about to be at a 0.5 floor pretty soon, because this is a pretty thin floor in between 0.4 and 0.5. So if you are interested in the project, it'll be something that I probably will look into in the near future. You guys are more than welcome to do whatever you want to. That's just my suggestion if you were trying to get in. Oh, you just minted a team. That's what's up. What kind of team did you mint? Did you mint into any trade group? So we got 0.07 as far as the breed replenishes, which is the lowest. 0.0775 for the incubators. Resurrections are about 0.15 or so, some a little bit higher. 0.3 for the orb. So a lot of different money makers here, man. A lot of different money makers here. So if you guys got any questions, concerns, like I said, it was going to be a lighter stream. I appreciate everybody for tuning in, but it may be a situation to where some of the meat and potatoes may be in the Twitter space, man. So you guys hop in. You guys got any questions, concerns about the project, anything else, let me know what's going on and how you guys are kind of vibing today, man. Just let me know. But in the meantime, in between time, like I said, we got about 10 minutes until we actually do get into that Twitter space. Besides us getting into that Twitter space, man, we're going to get into some other things too if you guys want to join in. So feel free to join, ask any questions you guys want to. And other than that, we'll be back in a couple seconds. All right. So I appreciate you guys for staying tuned, man. Everybody who tuned in after that, man. Greatly appreciate you guys. So, man, Definitely, if you guys got any questions, let me know, man. Tap into that space is in 6 minutes. I'm gonna start it directly in 6 minutes. Everybody's welcome. Come chat it up, man. Ask any questions. Ask about some NFTs, the market. Ask about the Flight Club project that is currently minting right now for 0.02 Ethereum. I said that correctly. 0.02 Ethereum gives you a chance to win over $100,000 worth of prizes. There's $100,000 worth of Ethereum mixed up into multiple different increments of 50, 100, 500, and 1000, and it's mixed evenly, so you guys can win big, win small, win medium, man. You guys can win, period. There's some stakeable NFTs that are mixed up in there. We're actually having our own app built for our staking platform that will be you'll be able to access that from our website. So you'll be able to go on there. We have some memberships and a bunch of other things. But like I said, if you guys want some more details to the project, feel free to tune into that Twitter space, man. You guys are more than welcome. And you guys know this Friday, the 18th at 6 p.m. Central Time, guys, we have the exclusive vibes. It's going to be me, Crypto Perm, aka Big Perm, Big Vern. Then we're going to have JRE in the building, man, doing some giving back to the community, man. Multiple different giveaways in this stream. We started off saying we were going to give away about $500. Then we got a tweet saying that we're going to give some money back to some people who retweet the tweet right there. JRE says he's going to give a giveaway on top of the giveaway that we were already giving, plus the $500 that we're giving away in the stream. Then we got our first platinum sponsor, Bollocks token, coming in. Crypto Bollocks will be giving away $250 within the stream also, so that's already over $1,000, plus the $1,000 that JRE just today said he's going to add additional on top of that, just for people who are tuning in. So that's what, over about $2,000 right there worth of giveaways that we're going to be giving. And I don't even know who else is going to be giving away things, who else is going to be tuning in, man. So definitely tune in. Friday's going to be a real vibe, man. This intro for the Flight Club is too clean, my man. Yeah, definitely appreciate that, man. But yeah, man, if you guys got any other questions, concerns, man, hit me up in the Twitter space. I'm about to boot that up, like I said, in 4 minutes from now, man. So right now I am going to cut the lo-fi, man. As usual, man, you already know what it is. Good vibes. I appreciate everybody for coming out, man. You guys always show up and show out, show love and support, man. That's why I try to support everybody. I'm trying to help people who want to help themselves as far as education, learning a little bit in this space. So you guys already know the spill. Keep cuffing that dip, man. Look for good support levels as usual. And beyond that, man, remember that it is beyond crypto, guys. Beyond crypto. And I definitely want you guys to, you know what I mean, benefit as much as possible. Get out and enjoy life. But other than that, man, I'm out of here. You guys enjoy the rest of your night. Or tune into that Twitter space, man, because it will be lit, man, as usual. I'm out of here.